Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. First things first, what exactly is a pressure control solenoid? And what does it do? Think of it as a small, electronically controlled valve inside your automatic transmission. Its job is crucial. The transmission control module, or TCM, the brain of your transmission, sends an electrical signal to this solenoid. Based on that signal, the solenoid adjusts the hydraulic fluid pressure within the transmission. This precise pressure control is what allows your transmission to shift gears smoothly and efficiently. It's essential for everything from clutch engagement to torque and vernal lockup. When the P0748 code pops up, it means that TCM has detected an electrical problem specifically with the circuit for solenoid. So, what are the common symptoms you might experience when P0748 is active? The most obvious one is the check engine light or transmission warning light on your dash, but you'll likely notice performance issues too. Your transmission might start shifting harshly or erratically. You could experience delayed engagement when you shift from park to drive or reverse. In some cases, the transmission might get stuck in one gear, a safety feature known as limp mode or failsafe mode, which is designed to protect the transmission from further damage. You might also notice a decrease in fuel economy because the torque converter is locking up as it should at highway speeds. Now, let's talk about the causes. Since P0748 is an electrical fault code, we're looking for problems in the electrical circuit. The most common culprit is a faulty pressure control solenoid itself. Over time, these solenoids can just wear out and fail internally. Another frequent cause is low or dirty transmission fluid. Low fluid can cause the solenoid to overheat and fail, while dirty, contaminated fluid can clog its internal passages, leading to electrical issues. Damaged wiring or a loose connection is also a big one. The wiring harness leading to the transmission is exposed to heat, vibration, and the elements, which can cause wires to break, fray, or corrode over time. Finally, although it's less common, the problem could lie with the transmission control module itself. A faulty TCM can send incorrect signals, or no signal at all, triggering the code. Alright, so how do you go about diagnosing and fixing P0748? The first step is always to check the transmission fluid. Pull the dipstick, check the level, and examine the condition of the fluid. Is it low? Is it dark, burnt-smelling, or full of debris? If the fluid is low, top it off. If it's dirty, a fluid and filter change might be your first and easiest fix. If the fluid looks good, the next step is to inspect the wiring and connectors going to the transmission. Look for any visible signs of damage, corrosion, or loose pins. A wiring diagram for your specific vehicle is your best friend here. If the wiring checks out, it's time to test the solenoid itself. You can do this by checking its resistance with a multimeter and comparing it to the manufacturer's specifications. You can also test for power and ground at the solenoid's connector. If the solenoid's resistance is out of spec or it's not receiving the correct voltage, it's likely faulty and needs to be replaced. Replacing a solenoid usually involves dropping the transmission pan, so while you're in there, it's a great time to change the filter and fluid as well. If the solenoid and wiring are both good, you might be looking at a more complex issue, like a problem with the TC, which might require professional diagnosis with a high-end scan tool. So, to recap, P0748 points to an electrical issue with the pressure control It can cause poor shifting, put your car in limp mode, and hurt your fuel mileage. Start your diagnosis by checking the simple stuff first. Transmission fluid level and condition, and then inspect the wiring. If those are okay, test the solenoid itself. Remember, tackling this issue early can prevent more significant and expensive transmission damage down the road. I hope this guide helped you understand the P0748 code a little better. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more car repair tips and diagnostic guides. Drop any questions you have in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.